All right, boys, welcome to the 2015 packet that you guys are going to start this spring. All right, I'm just going to go over a quick overview of how to read our program. I know you see a lot of lines. I know you see a lot of numbers here. All right, I'm going to simplify it for you real quick. Okay, the way we're doing each exercise is in what you might know as supersets, all right, or as circuits. So what we're going to do here to start with, this is an example of your day 3 workout in phase 1, okay? So you are to do front squats first. So here we are. The number 1, front squats. The reason how I know that front squats are paired with split squats and hip thrusters is there's a letter A here and the letter B. Okay, so if you don't see a number after the next one, you are pairing those together. So 1 goes with A and B. And as I scroll down, you'll see 2 goes with A and B. And then as I go down again, the third circuit, 3 goes with A and B here as well. All right? So that's how we do the exercise in order. You always want to start at the top, ideally, with number 1. So if we can do that, that's what we're going to start with. From here, how do we read our sets and reps? Real simple. This is week 1. Week 1. Week 1. Okay? So this is day 3, week 1. We're reading the gray here. So across the gray, you have 4 sets. Your first set is of 8. Your second set is of 8. Third set is 6. Fourth set is 6. Same thing down here. Week 1. Right when you're done with that first set of 8, you have a set of each leg on split squat jumps. Right? Each leg. So you're jumping with each leg on split squat jumps. Then you're coming down to B. Right when you're done with those, get on the bench. Done with these split squat jumps, you get on the bench here, and you do 15 reps of hip thrusters. Now remember, all these exercises are on YouTube. All you got to type in is Scsu football and the name of the exercise, and there'll be a demonstration on there for you. All right, so now we know that that's week 1. You just looked at week 1, so you know the sets and reps for that. Now, what do you do when you get to week 2? Well, guess what? Here it is. Week 2. Week 2. Week 2. All right? So now you know this is 4 weeks condensed into one small program. I made it really easy for you to read. All right? Now, here's the best part about this sheet. It's for your own benefits. Look at week 1 here. Here's your sets and reps, right? And here in this slot right here, week 1, I left your cells open. All right? In those cells, you're going to write the weight that you use for each exercise. So if it's front squats and you did 135 on your first set, you're going to put in 135. Second set, you went up 10 pounds. Good. You did 145. I know this thing's in the way. You might not be able to see it. This is 3, 4, and if there is a 5th and 6th set, it goes on. And you record those weights. So good. Now I know on my last set of 6 here, I might have gotten to 155 on my 4th set. Right? You see that? Now when I get here to week 2, I start with 6. So after I do a couple warm-up sets, I know that I should probably start with 155 right here. Okay? So I want to get 155 for this set. Now for my next set, let's try it. Let's go up a little bit more, all right? Let's go 160. Push myself to the limit here, okay? Make sure you're getting good form with it, but you want to push yourself to get more weight, all right? Now we go to set your 3rd and 4th set. Obviously, you're doing 5 reps, so you want to do a little bit more than that. 160, maybe you get to 165, okay? 170. All right, so this will help you record. The only way you're going to know if you're getting stronger is if you are recording your weights, all right? Now, that's pretty much what I'm going to do here. The tempos and stuff, these tempos mean how you're going to control the weight on the bar. I'd rather teach you guys this stuff in person. So in the meantime, I want you to watch the demonstration on YouTube and try to follow that same tempo. Tempo means the speed you're doing the lift. So if I'm doing front squats, okay, this is week 2 right here, I want you going down 4 seconds on week 2. So start from that standing position, Squat down past 90 degrees, 4 seconds down, 1 second up. If you guys can see that. I know that might be a little small, a little confusing. All right, but this is how we use it. This is day 3. Day 1 and 2 look the same. All right, day 1 and 2 look the same. Weeks 1 through 4, weeks 1 through 4, weeks 1 through 4. It'll scroll down the whole way on the page. Now when we get to phase 2, all right, it'll say week 5. I'm sorry, here, week 5, week 6, 7, and 8. And that'll be your 8-week program. You'll see it in the email that I've sent you guys. Weeks 1 through 4 are labeled phase 1. They're separated by your static stretch sheet, and then you'll have weeks 5 through 8. 5 through 8. Okay, and then that'll be a little bit progressed in the exercises. They might be a little bit harder, and the set and rep scheme will be different. You'll have more sets, less reps. Okay, good luck to this program, boys. If you have any questions, please contact me. Again, my number and my email are on the program. We'll see you soon.